guys. This is 450 per kilo. This kind of fish. I don't know how do you call this kind of fish, guys. Comment down below. Look, we are here at Kanipaan. Actually, we went from the old lady because he's still coughing, guys. I'm here. More fish. More fish, and it's for free cleaning here. And we buying this one, fish. And that's cost of 350. And per kilo is 450. So, comment down below, guys. How do you call that kind of fish? I don't know what's the English of that.
This is called vermilion or vermilion. Kalimot na inoon ko.
White meat siya, guys, so it means healthy, no? Oh, wow, white meat. We need that one, guys, because we still have cough, sick. We need to eat fresh, healthy food. No? Healthy food, guys.
Vermilion snapper ang tawag.
Give me thumbs up.